to the world of entertainment for our showbiz news. Feeling like you need a little detox? One OK Rock has got you covered because they're bringing you the song you've been longing for as they return to the country for Detox Asia Tour. The Japanese rock band One OK Rock will be returning to the Philippines as part of their Asia concert tour. In a social media post by Pop Life World, they shared the concert poster of One OK Rock along with the ticket prices. The group started in 2005 and consists of 4 members where they have already done many concerts and music festivals in the other countries. It will be remembered that the group last visited the Philippines in 2023 for their sold-out Luxury Disease Tour held at the Araneta Coliseum. Aside from Manila, they will also visit Bangkok, Seoul, Singapore, Taipei, Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Jakarta. Tickets for the concert will be priced between 3,500 pesos up to 9,500 pesos and will be available starting October 18 at 12 p.m. Philippine time. Meanwhile, the Detox Asia Concert Tour will take place on March 4, 2026 at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. And that's our showbiz news. Once again, I'm Sam Martos.